Hello treasure people, greetings to you all. Today let's make a perfect egg roast together. The first thing needed is this flour. I'll go ahead and add nutmeg and baking powder to it. The next I will add some sugar. I'll go ahead and add a little bit of salt. I will stir it. The next I will add eggs to it, margarine. This is the milk I'm going to be using, the already boiled egg and water. I'll put this one aside, this comes later. I'll clean my hands thoroughly and I will rub it until it's well combined. At this point, it's perfectly okay. First, I will add the measured milk. And feel free to share the description box. Everything I'm going to be using will be right there for you. When adding the water, you can do this one bit by bit to avoid it too liquid or too hard. So I'll keep doing this until the dough is well formed and bounce. If there is a need of water, I'll sprinkle a little bit of it. Someone requested for this video. I am fulfilling my promise today. She said she needs how to make a small portion egg roll for family. So here is a small portion egg roll. I am working with 1 kilo. And in case if you are using it for commercial, it's the same process also. All you need to do, increase all that you are saying here. But for your family, I think this 1 kilo is sufficient. But if it's not sufficient, you can go ahead and increase it. And to all my returning subscribers, from the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate you all. May God bless you all for always returning. And if today is your first time coming across this humble family, please go ahead and subscribe. Be a part of this family so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be forced to be notified. And we are uploading soon again. You can also help me to share the video in all your platform. Don't you think it will be helpful to somebody? So I'll keep doing this to make the ball shape. And at this point, I have started preheating my oil. And you can make it a little bit more smaller if you desire it. I will do this until I am done. At this point, I am almost done. I will put the leftover aside. While I am frying, I will finish the left one. At this point, the oil is perfectly okay. Before frying, I will put a little portion on it to see if the oil is fully ready. Once I see that the oil is well prepared, I will start frying. And note this, when you are about to start, make sure you start with a low heat. Lower your gas at this point. And also, make sure you are working with a sufficient oil. And I'm using 3 liters of oil here. Make sure you work with a sufficient oil so that your egg roll will be well covered. That is the only way it can be cooked. So from the beginning, as I earlier say, I started with a low heat. At this point, I am now working with a medium heat. Keep stir frying to avoid it burn. I'll keep repeating this until it's perfectly browned and cooked. At this point, I am started working with a full heat to make sure that it will not drain oil. Guys, our egg roll is ready. This one can be served for a breakfast, for yourself, for your loved ones, for friends. It can also be used for gifts, for business. So I will take up the first batch. I will repeat the process again. So once I am repeating it again, make sure you lower your gas again before you put the fresh one. So once I are done, I will keep stir frying also again. So that is it, guys. We are done. If you like the video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And I would also love to see your comment in the comment section below if the video is helpful to you. So thank you if you watched all to this point again. See you soon again in another satisfying video. Bye bye.